Hey guys, the family and I decided we needed a home away from home so we could do some of our hiking and traveling trips, be able to stay places a little bit longer. We found this gem, so today we're going to go through it, see if it runs, tear it apart. So stay tuned, hit that bell notification, and subscribe if you're not already. Follow our vintage RV makeover series, so episode 1.
So, we've come across this butte, 1974, Winnebago Indian. It's all original. Definitely needs some work, but apparently it does run. Alright, so the Winnebago Indian 1974, as you can tell, it is a disaster. Mouse infested. Has the potential of being something nice. So what are we going to do?
Tear it apart.
Pull it out, get some air in the tires. The compressor hose won't reach where we're at. Oh, is it stuck? Is it stuck? Oh, it's rolling, it's rolling. Alright, check out this view, guys. Once again, 1974. Follow and subscribe and like if you want to see us work on this bad boy.
So we got the 1974 Winnebago 23L, I want to say, home. Got her for $1. Somebody just left her at my parents' place, and yeah, Dad signed it over to us, and now we can start redoing her. We'll repaint it. This all looks like it'll sand off pretty easily. Replace all the trim and all the gaskets for the windows. Re-silicone everything. Give her a brand new white paint job with the original Flying W. Anyways, yeah, we got our propane tank storage, good shape. Got 2 new propane bottles for it. Our heater looks in pretty decent shape. Wouldn't have to replace too much there. Need to get a new generator. Looks like somebody took the old one out of it. I think they originally had an Onan generator in them, 2500 or something. Anyways, yeah, the back all looks pretty decent. Replace some of the lights with some LEDs. Got our fridge, and looks like we need to replace these. This is all broke. Shouldn't be too hard to get. Get some new rubber, maybe some new rims. Not too bad. It's mostly been sitting most of its life. Brand new roof on it. Somebody replaced the roof. Eaves troughs work good. But yeah, she's a beaut. Lots of work to do. Fix her up. do some paneling, change vents, fix the walls, place the floor.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back.
Guys, we've started gutting her, getting down to bare bones here. There's our water heater. Replace that and replace these tanks. Put new plastic one in, all plastic lines, get rid of all this copper. Who knows how long it's been sitting. It looks like it's corroded pretty good.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone.
Yeah, start plucking away at, pull the seats, replace some of the carpet. Floor definitely needs to be replaced, so all this cabinetry should pull out.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
Bad boy up. We used it, turned it on, made sure it worked and everything. Same with the fridge. Probably replace it as well. These things have been sitting here so long.
We'll never be alone. Savannah.
Yeah, we might keep the upper cupboards. The roof looks in good shape, so for the most part, we'll just have to replace some of the trim. Shape. Clean up the tub, replace all the wall paneling, replace all of our vents. For the most part, lots of storage. Probably go with a new sink. This one, plastic. Yeah. Well, there you have it, guys. Let me know if there's anything you think we should do in the comment section below. Subscribe and like the video, and follow us along while we redo this bad boy over the winter. Till next time, see you later.